Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're here on the island of Tenerife, and I've got to find my way from the airport all the way to Las Americas. What could be the best way to travel and the cheapest way, to be fair? Well, I'm going to try the local transport. I'm going to find out what buses to get. I'm going to take you guys with me. We're going to head to my hotel from the airport using the local bus service, and I'll let you know if it's worth it or not, if it's quick and cheap. Obviously it's cheaper than a taxi, but let's see how it is, guys, so join me. Okay, so the sun's out, the sun's just about setting. It's nearly 5 o'clock here on the island of Tenerife, and we need to find the stop that goes to Las Americas. Now, I've just came out the doors from arrivals just here, so it's not that far, so we're going to walk along here to see what number we have to get that'll take us to our destination, and hopefully it'll be quick and simple to use. Las Americas, what bus do I need?
It's the number 40, it's coming here, it's coming now.
40?
Yeah, the number bus is 40.
Oh, brilliant, brilliant. So how do I get a ticket? Can I pay on the bus?
If you want, yes. Yes, for the bus
Is it-
travel, it's a car. If you want to take the bus...
Oh, I can pay on the bus with card?
Sí, sí.
Oh, right, so where do I go, number 40?
Sir, that is the queue.
Oh, you're
This
joking
is
me?
one. Have a good day.
Hello.
Wow. This is the queue to go to Las Americas. So it's a number 40 that we get into Las Americas. So now we have to wait in this queue to get on the bus to take us to our destination. And I don't think that we're going to get on this bus. We might have to wait till the next bus. But if you have a wee card, you can use that machine I was just at to top up that card, and then you can use that card on the bus. You can also pay by card on the bus, so that's what we're going to do, because I didn't want to buy one of the cards. So we'll just wait in this queue to get onto the bus, and then we'll see how long it takes us to get into Las Americas in Tenerife. It will probably take about a month to actually get on the bus, because the drivers are obviously checking every single ticket. So if you're travelling into Tenerife Airport, you get the number 40 from stand 30. As of now, it's number 40 to stand 30. And it doesn't just go to Las Americas, it goes to Los Cristianos, Costa Adeje, I think is the final stop. The name is on the front of the bus, so I think it's Costa Adeje last stop. I don't know the route it takes, but I will let you know when I actually get off the bus. Hopefully it's quite close to my hotel. I'm going to have to judge it. I'm not using any Google. I'm just winging it to actually see if it's actually the easiest way to get into the centre. I think that personally the cost of taxis is about €30. So I think this is like €3, isn't it? So it's a big, massive difference. And how much does it actually save you in time? If this takes half an hour, the taxi takes 20 minutes, you're only saving 10 minutes. So that's a few bit of beer money there. So let me know in the comments what you think, but we're just about to get on this bus.
370, scan please.
370. That's amazing. Do you have disabled seats? Do you have disabled seats? Disabled? You don't have disabled seats? So there's no disabled seats here?
Yes, yes,
So you have a bit here to put your luggage, but it's quite full just now, so you can't fit any more bags on it. So I've had to put my luggage beside me. There's no danger I'm leaving my luggage all the way over there. But the bus is completely packed. He's trying to get everybody on. I don't know how, that's it, we're going. So I don't know if everybody got on, but we're off. Okay, so we're sitting on the bus. It should take us about 30 minutes to get from the airport to our destination. I don't know how long it will take to get to Costa Adeje, which will probably be the last stop. But as for price, now it's the same price for any destination. It's €3.70, and I'm going to leave a picture of the receipt right now on the screen if you can see it. Now that's one way. Now if you want to come back, it will also cost you €3.70 to come back. Now I don't know the bus times yet, but I can find that out. Hopefully every like half an hour or so, because then it would make it a good form of transport. But you can see here, they're just packed. Everybody on the bus, everybody wants this bus. So it's definitely cheaper than getting a taxi. So yeah, let's see how this journey goes then. So the good thing is, this is actually the express bus, so there's not actually many stops. So I think it's straight to here to Los Cristianos, and then Las Americas to the Costa Adeje. So it should be very quick. Hopefully we get there soon. So now that I've got a phone signal, I should be the next 2 stops. Tells me here on Google this is probably the best way to actually track your journey, to make sure you get off at the next stop. So in 2 stops time it'll be my stop to get off. So if you have got a phone and it's ready to go when you get off the plane, then just type it on Google, your hotel on Google, and it'll let you know which stop to get off. And it's actually the easiest way to know whether you're going to get off at the next stop. So great wee tip for you. Right, okay, so I've landed in Las Americas, and I've got to say, get a taxi, it's less hassle. Oh, that was a bloody nightmare. It definitely is the cheapest way to travel to and from the airport, but for the amount of hassle they drivers put you through by squeezing every single life onto that bus, it's very uncomfortable. So I do recommend you actually skip the bus and jump in a €30 taxi to your destination, and I think it might be €35 to Costa Adeje. But I'm here now, I'm going into my hotel. Oh, I can't believe that. Did you see like the hassle? First of all, no disabled seats. Now I've got a disabled card, disability card, which I need to sit down. You know what I mean? I can't stand that long a journey without going to topple over. So, and there's worse people than me that need disabled seating. So the alleyway, that obviously you can call it that, is like a plane. You can't fit 2 people, especially one big and one small. It's absolutely dreadful to be on that bus. Now it did take 27 minutes, which 27 minutes is actually okay compared to what a taxi would be. Taxi would be 15-20 minutes depending on what hotel you're at. But yeah, the cost actually gets you. If you want to save money, you're going to use the bus. If you didn't want to save money and you were a family of 4, jump in a taxi. That's my recommendations. But oh, what can I say about that? But anyway, if you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care.